Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. My Bolex P2 here is running sluggish, as we can tell. So we're going to have to open it up and do some continued overhauling in it and get it further oiled and greased. So let's get started. Okay, now that I've removed the lens from the front of the Bolex P2, I need to get to this motor right here, take that apart, and clean it on the inside. Generally, when you have a sluggish running Bolex, in here in the crankshaft is where the problem lies, and around the perimeter of the crankshaft and the turnkey and the bearings. Alright, let's continue. Okay, this is as good as a place to stop as any for right now. You can continue later, but I do need to remove this motor. Clean it off, clean the springs inside, and the crankshaft, and the bearings, little springs and stuff like that. What you want to avoid, if possible, when working on a Bolex, these 8mm especially, is getting into the front of here, taking this front plate off just beyond the film plane and the lens, between the lens right there, as they're filled with lots of tiny springs, and if you're not familiar with it, it can be a nightmare. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, put a like on my videos, share. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.